don't you know that your life and my life would have been terminated a long time ago if God had not been interceding and intercepting some stuff? I was watching a football game a few days ago, Minister Michael Evans, and they had some old games playing, and one of the teams was driving down the field, and once they had reached the red zone, you brothers know what I'm talking about, the red zone. It looked as if, oh, Bobby, they were going to score a touchdown. The quarterback took a hike from the center, rolled out into the pocket, and just when he was about to be sacked, he released the ball, threw it down the field to what appeared to be a wide-open receiver. For a quick second, it looked as if though the offense was going to score, Richard, but at the last second, out of nowhere, a defensive back ran in front of the receiver and intercepted the ball. That's what the Lord does for us. I said, that's what the Lord does for us. He runs interference. He intercepts some stuff. Touch your neighbor and tell him, I'm glad God intercepted some stuff. That's what he did for Simon Peter. When our opponent is pushing us down the field of life and he's driving us into the red zone, our backs may be pinned against the wall and might look like the enemy is going to get the victory over us. But that's when the Lord, who is our defensive back, he goes in front of us and intercepts the devil. In verse 31, somebody shout 31. Jesus knew all about Satan's plans for Peter.